Hello guys, we have received here MG for coolant leakage and overheating issues. During the inspection, we discovered the engine head gasket has been damaged. Upon further investigation, we found a flat water plant which caused significant leakage. The engine internal components were also in poor condition. Finally, we have discussed with the customer, and he agreed and he accepted us to do an engine overhaul in this engine. And we will update you about the further process in this video. Please watch the video until the last.